All right, cool. So next one, we had Charles' law. All right, so this one says, at what temperature will a balloon with a volume, will a balloon have a volume of 3.02 liters? So I'm going to underline that. So that's volume. If the temperature is 52 degrees Celsius. When the volume is 2.75 liters. All right, so this is Charles' law, so I'll just label mine Charles' law. Okay, and just writing out what the different numbers are that we've got. So we know that we have a volume being 3.02, and they're asking about what temperature. So that means the temperature that's attached to the 3.02 is who we're looking for, right? So I'm going to go ahead and label these as V1 and T1, and then I'll go ahead and say V2 then is on the opposite side, which is 2.75 liters, and T2 was 52 degrees Celsius, but we can't leave it in degrees Celsius. What do we have to do? We have to, so we're going to add 273 to that. So when we add 273 to that, we get the number 325 Kelvin. Now we can plug in, and we're solving for T1. Okay, so Charles' law, again, if we were to looking up here, we have V's and T's, so we're going to just basically do V over T, V over T. Okay, so V1, T1 equals V2, T2. So 3.02 over T1 is equal to 2.75 over 325. Okay, so this is the part where some of us kind of struggled a little, so just for a reminder of what I usually do is I go diagonal, I multiply, and then I divide by the other guy. Okay, so I multiply diagonal and then divide by whatever's left over. Okay, and you should be able to use that for the rest of these on this side that we're going to be running through. Okay, so multiply those two together, divide it by the 2.75. What answer are we coming up with? Nope, it's going to be 356.9. So let's, if you did not get that, make sure you guys try to type it in again. Okay, and if you round it up to 357, that's fine as well. So again, what I did was I went ahead and multiplied this times that. I pushed equals, and then I divided it by the point, or the 2.75. Let's see if that one. Okay. All right, if I were to ask for it in Celsius, what would you do with that number? Good. Minus 273 gives us it in Celsius, so that would be 83.9 degrees Celsius. So both of those are correct answers. It just depends what unit you put at the end of it. Oh, yeah, okay, and then you divide it by the last number. Okay. This is the multiplication part, yeah. This was the diagonal part, and then you have to, oh, got it, okay. All right, so you got it, all right. Okay, next one we've got is Gay-Lussac.